Living and working on purpose. What is your purpose? This is a big question, but not enough people give its answer serious consideration. Those who do are the most professionally successful and personally effective people. The goals you set and your purpose are related, but not the same thing. Your purpose goes beyond your goals. It's the big picture of your life. The ability to set and accomplish your goals will get you there. Discover your purpose. You are on a quest to find out your purpose as soon as possible. Then you can start to live and work in alignment with it. Develop your own mission statement. Can you express it in one sentence? A brief, pointed mission statement will give you the opportunity to serve your mission in many everyday situations. Activate your purpose. Align your purpose with your natural ability. When you align those talents with your career and organization, you set free a well of energy. Be determined. Most people say yes to every opportunity. They try everything that comes their way and skim across the top of life. Imagine your effectiveness if everything you take on is related to or focused on your purpose. You will be unstoppable, and so will your team, as they feed off your energy and determination. Stay humble. Not everyone around you will have clarity of purpose. As a matter of fact, most people don't take the time to honestly consider what their life's purpose is. Do you view your life as a struggle? If so, then you haven't embraced the importance of purpose.